Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter or you click on the app of Duolingo. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.